Dr. Greeny here, and today I'm going to give you 3 great options that are over the counter to deal with an acne blemish. You'll want to watch to the end because I'm also doing a huge giveaway with 10 winners in this video. I don't want to give it away, but it deals with making your lashes look fuller and longer. So I've already explained how to take care of your acne from day to day, but sometimes we get an acne blemish that can be frustrating, and I can tell you some quick, easy ways to help it go away faster. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to tap on that subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you don't miss any giveaways or great skincare videos. So your first instinct is going to be to pop the pimple or squeeze it. Don't do this. We're all human and we're prone to picking at things, but this is one of the most common reasons that I see acne scars. If you have picked at a little pimple, I recommend you use a little thing of Vaseline. Apply this over the area just to help it heal a little faster. So to clear up the pimple itself, I'm going to give you 3 options. Each of these are affordable and available over the counter without a prescription. The first one is good old Benzoyl Peroxide. This has been a tried and true treatment for acne for many years. Benzoyl Peroxide works by killing acne bacteria and also opening up the pores. There are many different concentrations available over the counter. Look for one around 5% and it can be applied twice daily. I do like to warn people that benzoyl peroxide can bleach dark fabrics, so be aware of that if you're drying off with a dark colored towel. A couple great brands make great benzoyl peroxides like CeraVe or Panoxyl. Now the next acne treatment is sulfur. This is something that used to be used a lot with acne and now it's making a comeback. It's in a couple over-the-counter spot treatments that I want to show you. This is Vichy Noramaderm. This has sulfur in it, 10% concentration, and it also has glycolic acid, which helps dry up acne fast. The sulfur helps kill the acne bacteria. You can use this to spot treat your acne spots 1 to 3 times a day. It's best to not go overboard. I would start slow. Apply it just once a day and slowly increase as tolerated up to 3 times per day. If you over apply these acne treatments, your skin may get more dry and irritated, making the pimple look worse. The next product I'm going to show you is actually Inkylist Succinic acid treatment. This is really cool formula because it has succinic acid in it and it also has sulfur. They were smart to also include hyaluronic acid in this product, but it's not a typical acid. It's actually very moisturizing and help restore our skin barrier. The Inkylist Succinic acid treatment also includes a tried and true acne treatment called salicylic acid. This is available between 0.5 and 2% over the counter. The Inkylist has a 1%, which I think is a great concentration to treat the acne without over drying the skin. I want to tell you about one other treatment. This is the Dermalogica Clear Start Breakout Clearing Acne Booster. This also has salicylic acid in it. It's really cool because with this product, you just push the top to dispense the medication, and I think that's really cool. But it also could be that I'm really easy to entertain. All of these treatments can be applied between 1 and 3 times per day. Now remember, spot treating acne isn't the main way to treat acne. We like to treat acne by treating our entire face. You can watch my whole video here. Now the part you guys have all been waiting for, the giveaway. I've partnered with Babe Lash in this video to give away their eye conditioner and serum to 10 different winners. Their serums are used on the eyebrows and eyelashes to create a thicker, fuller look. Entering is simple. All you have to do is follow Babe Lash and myself, SwoleMD, on TikTok and Instagram. Tag 2 friends on my Babe Lash giveaway post on Instagram, and then drop a comment below with the skincare topic that you'd love to hear about on my YouTube channel. 10 winners will be randomly selected on April 1st. It's not an April Fool's joke though, this is a real giveaway. I hope that gives you the tools you need to deal with acne breakouts, and best of luck on the giveaway. Make sure to check out the rest of my videos. I talk about all kinds of things on here like acne, wrinkles, anti-aging, how to layer your skincare. I got it all right here. Before you go, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any great skincare videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.